Welcome to the UK Visa and Immigration Channel, your ultimate guide to navigating the complexities of immigration in the United Kingdom. Today, we're addressing a crucial topic: how to verify the accuracy of your immigration status with the Home Office. Ensuring your status is correct is essential for accessing various services and benefits in the UK, from renting a property to working and availing essential services. So, let's dive into the process. But first, if you're new here, make sure to browse our playlist for more insightful content on UK visas and immigration updates. Now, let's get started. What are the charges for checking the accuracy of my status? Well, the good news is that the Home Office provides this service free of charge upon your request. How long does it usually take to get a response? Typically, you can expect a response within 7 working days after you've submitted your request. What is the process for verifying the accuracy of my migration status? Now, let's talk about the process. First, visit the official Home Office website to download the inquiry form. Then, fill out the form completely and attach any relevant documents. You can submit these documents by post to the Customer Correspondence Hub or via email at ukvi@homeoffice.gov.uk. It's crucial to attach relevant documentation as it accelerates the investigation process. Without it, your case may take longer to resolve. What documents can I attach to strengthen my case? What documents can you attach to strengthen your case? Consider including letters supporting your immigration status, copies of correspondence highlighting any issues, and digital proof of your immigration status. Digital proof can be obtained through the Home Office's online service, providing verification when required by employers or landlords. Verifying your immigration status is not just a formality. It's about protecting your rights and ensuring accessibility to the benefits of life in the UK. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel, and until next time, stay informed and empowered.